What's going on, guys? Bo's here.
Hey!
You guys haven't seen him in a little bit. And I'm going to try to stick true to what I said yesterday and hit it up early. And that means getting up at 10. What time is it now?
Currently 7:30.
I hate my life. Why I tell you guys I'm going to do things and not edit it out.
You could still possibly edit it out.
I could, but I'm not going to. And to put us both in the same field, be looking forward to a cooking video from Bo on his channel on Wednesday. So that'll be fun. Alright, so the time is officially 2:50 in the afternoon. Yeah, I set my alarm for 10 and apparently hit snooze or turned it off. I'm not going to go out to that spot I was thinking about earlier. Instead, thanks to Bo pointing out some new spots. I've never herped this spot. I've been out there a bunch back in the day, but I've never herped this spot. So, should be good. Well, Bo, I think the water is, it's not down. It's definitely not down. Holy crap. That is nuts. Look at that. That'd sweep you away. So I'm walking alongside the road here because that's where I parked, and I saw a trail way up that way, and I'm kind of in a race against time because it went from really sunny, 75, to about a few degrees colder and overcast because there's rain moving in. So not really sure when it's going to move in, but there's tons of stuff to flip here. And there's one spot that's got ringneck written all over it, so hopefully. That's pretty cool. Maybe, just maybe, we might be able to find a little salamander or two. Okay, if you guys spot the herp, and let me know in the comments. First one to do it, I'll pin you. Pin your comment. Alright guys, well, I saw a couple little salamanders. And then that one herp that I just showed you guys in that clip. But they're just too quick. But if I can find more streams like this, then like I guarantee you up on that ridge, under some rocks, there's bound to be something. So I'm gonna head back to the road and keep on walking it. Money. Found this trail. There's a creek. Oh. We're gonna find some stuff today, guys. It might not be snakes. Look, there's already logs to flip down there. I'm gonna stop talking to you guys and get to doing this stuff. I might never go home. Yeah, this just looks too freaking good. I'm gonna try to do a little live flip here. I don't die. I'm just kidding. That's probably playing those live flips out in advance, make sure I can actually flip the rock. These things are so quick, I want to get it on film when I flip it, because I don't know if I'm actually going to get them again, but let me see. Alright, well, I walked about, I don't know if there's a road, that much up the trail. I got back from the creek because it was getting really steep and I wasn't finding anything down there, but Rob, I'm taking your advice about not climbing Mount Everest, and that just keeps going, and I'm going to decide to pick the low-hanging fruit. So I want to get him before he ran off, but right here it looks like we have a dusky salamander. Little focus. Really cute, cool looking guy. Really cute. Told you guys, this is the money spot. All these salamanders, so I'm gonna just... Oh look, he already burrowed right down in there. He's already safe. See, right here, I'm in this somewhat of the Smoky Mountains area, and the salamander quality that we have here, it's just ridiculous. I mean, people are coming from all around the world just to try to check out some of these salamanders. So, I mean, let's face it, I'd be a fool if I picked snakes over these salamanders. At least right now, because it doesn't seem like the snakes are really doing much of nothing. Alright guys, well, I just flipped this guy. He got away from me. But that is, I believe, a smallmouth salamander. I'm gonna try to get him up on the... No, don't do it. He is just scurrying down. There he is. Hoping to get some dry land here. Cooperate. No! Okay, you can kind of see his head a little bit here. Well, you could. And he decided to go hide. Alright, I guess we'll just let him go. But yeah, pretty sure that was smallmouth. Alright, well I'm gonna have to do these flips on camera and just get them on film and I actually catch them, because I flipped right there, southern two line, big rock down there, I flipped. It looked like a big smallmouth salamander, a gigantic southern two line, and a green frog. All in the same rock. And they all got away. 1, 2, 3. What we got? Oh, there he is. You guys tell me what kind of salamander this is. Where'd he go? Where you at, buddy? You wanna play games, huh? You wanna play games? Not a game playing kind of mood. Oh, there you are. I can get him. Okay. Dude, your little burrow was not... That was well played. There we go. You guys let me know in the comments if that's that dusky or if that's a smallmouth. I can't really tell. That's the one that got away earlier. That's the one that... Where'd he go? There he is. Alright, buddy. You can go. Do your thing. Do your thing. That's so cool. He knows what he's doing. What are you doing, buddy? Where you at? There you are. Alright, we'll go back. There you go. Second flip, got another one. Oh, look. There's a little... Where'd he go? Oh, I thought it was a frog. It's a salamander. Hey, buddy. Hey. Come here. My dear Uncle Jordan. There we go. Yeah, you guys, let me know in the comments what you think this is. Judging by the pattern on the tail and stuff and what I've seen, I want to say this is a dusky, but you're a lot calmer than your big brothers. There you go, buddy. There you go. Anybody home here? No? See, this thing goes on. This is going to be definitely a salamander vlog. And I'm so okay with it. Saw that, thought it was like some albino species of salamander. What about, oh, there we go. God, he is gorgeous looking. Look at that. Gorgeous. Yeah, I think that's definitely a dusky. Look at those patterns. Holy crap. I'll let you go. Yeah, this live looking thing's great. Oh, look at you. Oh, what are you? You're new. No, 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 no. There he is. Got him. Ah! Had him. I wouldn't bug him so much, but he's new. I like new things. Alright, I'm gonna let him go. Just because I have mad respect for his tenacity. Made my way back up to the trail here. Yeah, I'm gonna make this a 2-part vlog. So, that was the first part. We're gonna head back on down to the road. So we're gonna flip down there. Possibly do more of the live flipping kind of stuff. So be sure to come back for part 2. But yeah. See you in part 2.